Hey guys, it's Marissa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how I got this lash look using the Ardell lash clusters. This was so much more beginner friendly than that time I tried to do the individuals. I don't even think I still have that video on my channel, honestly. So if you guys want to see how I was able to get this lash look for the low, I think we only spent $10 on the supplies, because you know it takes a lot of money to be a pretty girl and I just don't have that in budget this year. So we got to start being a little more self-sufficient. So this is step one on our journey. So if you want to know how I got this lash look, what I used and all of that good stuff, then of course just keep watching. So the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Ardell Double Up, and I have them both in the long and the short length. They didn't have any mediums in the store, so I guess I'm just going to wing it with the short and long. They're not free, so where the clusters meet together, let me see if I can show you guys. The clusters are not free, so where the different strands meet together, there's no knot tying them together, if that makes any sense at all. I bought a different glue, but I can't seem to find it or what I've done with it, so I'm going to use the Ardell Lash Tight glue. And I've used this before, but I didn't know what I was doing, and I also don't know what I'm doing now, so we'll see. Hopefully it works. I'm not really sure on the shelf life of glue. So other than my lashes and glue, of course the other item I'm going to be using is some tweezers. These are just the first pair I found. This is very much so amateur. I don't know what I'm doing, so let's just see how this turns out. So I'm going to do the long on the outer corner in the middle, start integrating the shorts all the way up into the inner corner. So I found the other glue that I was talking about. So this is the Sassy eyelash glue, so I'm actually going to use this glue instead today. So I'm just going to take some of the glue and stick it on the back of this container. And I'm just going to start with that much for now. It smells like hair glue, so I don't know. This is very much so amateur. I don't know what I'm doing. So I haven't really decided if I'm going to try to glue it under my lash line or over the lash line. So let's see. And there's a little bit of adhesive on the lash, of course, that makes it stick to the tray. And I'm just picking that off first before I stick it into the lash glue. I think this would be much easier to do above the lash line because I'm having a hard time getting this to stick. I wanted to show you guys in the tray, there's this like little groove here, and that's where I'm sticking my tweezers to get the cluster out so that I don't mess the whole situation up, because I've ruined many a pair of lashes pulling them off the tray wrong. So here's how my lashes are looking thus far. I've maybe been working on this for 10 minutes, so it's going pretty quick once I kind of figured out what I was doing. So I don't know if I want to do like 2 more clusters of the long before I start working the shorts in. I wish you guys were here with me to tell me what you think, but yeah, maybe I'll do 1 more and see how it looks before I start adding the shorts in. I haven't glued my eyes shut yet, so that's good. And y'all, I'm literally so bald headed by the eyes from like my lash extensions, because I mess with them a lot. I'm a picker and it's plucking all my eyelashes off, but I just can't seem to leave the lashes alone. So we're gonna have to learn how to do this ourselves for a little while, take the cost-effective routes, maybe grow some of my lashes back before I start going to get them done as often as I used to. Okay y'all, so I added 2 more clusters of the long, so now I'm about to pop open the shorts. I really wish I had mediums, but I think it'll be okay. Or I hope it will be, rather. Ooh, these like super short. I hope I don't look crazy. I don't know, y'all. I don't know how I feel about these smalls. I guess they're meshing. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this eye and show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, so we have 1 eye down and I think they look pretty good. I'll probably just speed through this eye and show you guys everything together and my final thoughts. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. My camera actually ended up cutting off and I had memory card issues, so nonetheless I'm back and I'm on my phone, so probably there may be a quality change, so I apologize for that. So anywho, this is what the lashes are looking like. I would like for them to be a little bit fuller, so this is more so like a natural everyday look. I like for my lashes to be fuller because when they fall out, they start to look more natural. So when these start falling out, they're gonna look a little scraggly, but it's okay because I still have plenty left to fill them in. Let me actually show you guys how many I have left. I used 2 full rows of the long ones for both of my eyes and almost a full row for the shorts. So yeah, I have enough to definitely do my eyes another time. These were only $3.99 a pack at my beauty supply store, and I think the glue was only like $2. So basically this was a $10 set. So I'll probably update you guys on the longevity of this on my Instagram. So I'll link it down in the description box so you can follow me on Instagram, and I'll be updating you guys on how long this actually lasts, because I'm not sure. This is my first time doing it. Not really sure about the glue. So yeah, if you care to see how this, you know, progresses over the next few days, then of course just follow me there and I will update you guys there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so you can be a part of the mafia, join the gang. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.